Now that you have learned how to create modules in your Canvas course to organize content for students, the next two videos will take a look at additional settings such as prerequisites and requirements. You'll remember earlier that we created the short module, Fighting the High Seas at Just 16 Years Old, and I've decided that I want students to complete that first before moving into researching and writing an argumentative essay. If you want students to be able to complete a prerequisite, please understand that you have to have at least 2 modules created in your course. So I'm going to go to Research and Write an Argumentative Essay and click on the More Options icon and select Edit. Here I will be able to lock the module until a certain date if I don't want students to access it at this time. So if I click in the box and then click on the calendar icon, I can select the date when students will have access. The default is 9 a.m. because that is what I typically use for this course, but I can change it down below in the time settings area. And I'm going to click Done. The date and time can easily be changed by clicking on the calendar, and this feature can be eliminated by clicking in the Lock Until box. Now I'm going to add a prerequisite. In the Select Module box, I'm going to select the Fighting the High Seas at Just 16 Years Old. I want students to not only read the details about the upcoming Research and Writing an Argumentative Essay module, but I also want them to have a little background on the subject of Abby Sunderland. If that's all I want to do at this time, I'm going to click Update Module. As the teacher, I will be alerted to whether I want to continue and allow students to progress through the module as it was originally set, or if I would like to relock it and have them start over. And I do want them to start over. So I'm going to click on Relock the module. And you'll notice that an alert has been added here. When students have access to this module, they will see that they have to complete the prerequisite, Fighting the High Seas at Just 16 Years Old, before they can move through the Research and Write an Argumentative Essay module.